1990 I came to Germany and I played sessions with different musicians here. I toured in Germany with a band from Ireland and I met Manfred at one of our concerts. I didn't know that years later I would play in a band with him. When I came back to Germany, I played sessions together with Manfred, and then in about 2002 we decided, myself and Manfred decided to form a band called Celtic Chakra. When Heiko was a child, his parents brought him to Ireland every summer, and that's where he got the hunger for Irish music. But he's a music teacher and he plays clarinet, guitar and flute, but his passion is the Irish fiddle. Harold was the last person to join Celtic Chakra, and Harold has a great command of the English language and a great sense of humour in English, but he comes originally from Scottish snare drum and he changed over to the Irish drum, which is called the bodhrán. The reason that we're called Celtic Chakra is because everywhere that we go and we play, we try to open a chakra under the audience and under the stage and let the musical energy flow up through it, let it tickle the soles of the feet of the audience and bring them endorphins and good mood.
And she went a little day, and she had it all the day, she had it all the day, and she landed. I can't marry you, my bonny wee lass, marry you for love or money. For I have got a wife at home who's sweeter than any honey. And she went a little day, and she had it all the day, she had it all the day, and she landed. And she went a little day, she had it all the day, she had it all the day, and she landed.